Although I have learned indigo dyeing before, I had the impression that it takes a long time to make. I never thought that the current experience course can give us great works and experience within 2 hours. The workshop teacher is very professional and attentive, and kindly gives instructions and reminders on production according to our own designs. Basically, if you propose any design you want, he will answer it for you. The process is very free and there is a worthwhile and creative experience. I really enjoyed getting my hands crafting and happy with the outcome. The staff were very attentive and made a lot of effort to communicate with me and explain each step despite my lack of Chinese language knowledge. Overall a fun workshop. This is not the first time to experience Dokuya Eisen, but by making a reservation through Klook in advance, not only can you better control the budget during the trip, but it is also more cost-effective than the current direct experience. There is also a coffee space on the second floor, and as long as you have the experience, a drink at 85 yuan can be directly My first indigo dyeing experience, the teacher was very patient, because it was my first time doing it. When tying the pattern, when dyeing for the first time, when the dyeing was completed and blow-drying, each step allowed the work to slowly take shape, each time. When it comes to the next step, the finished product seems to be different again, completely different from what was expected. The process is full of freshness, romantic face emoji. The clerk at the UI store has very good service. Although the Klook voucher cannot be used, he still helped me prove the problem to Klook. On the contrary, the service level of Klook needs to be improved. Amanda and Ken's after-sales customer service are doing well. It is suggested that the customer service skills of another Lin customer service staff need. Indigo DIY is more interesting than imagined. The whole process is taught carefully. It is very convenient to buy on the Klook platform, and the price is also very cost-effective, and new households only need to enter 285A to buy, and they can get another. The craftsmen have a very good attitude and even take the initiative to help take photos. I have done so many handmade DIYs and this is the first time I have encountered such a good one. When I need help during production, I don't need to say a word and I will lend a hand. Thumbs up emoji, thumbs up emoji. We are relatively tall. When he bent down to wash the cloth, itinerary package purchased with high-speed rail. Experience indigo dyeing. Even if you have no dexterity or design talent, you can still make goosebumps-inducing works. In the afternoon, I came to Zhou Yi's hut. In order to see the fireflies at night, I stopped by to experience the blue dye. Also book tickets at Klook first, tickets plus experience $324/person. The park is small and accommodation is provided. The restaurant inside is only open until 5 p.m., mainly for lunch and afternoon tea, and the restaurant has a nice view. The blue dyeing experience for this appointment is a bundle bag. You can refer to the price list of other items on the internet and make an appointment in advance. During the experience, the reception staff The teacher at UI Indigo Dyeing was very patient and carefully taught how to make a gray cloth drawstring bag. I will try different indigo dyeing techniques next time I have the chance.